Hello, I'm Twinkle and welcome to my channel. And today we are back with another new video. Today it's all about makeup brushes, how to use makeup brushes. And this experience I have gained after a lot of practice from all these years. I have so many makeup brushes, but I never knew what to use when, until so many years of practice, and then I gained the knowledge. So let me share this knowledge with you of what to use when in a perfect way. So guys, we all go to parties, functions and weddings. We get dressed up and we also do makeup to look presentable because looks do matter. So today I'm going to show you how to achieve this look, basic look, with the help of 6 makeup brushes only. So I have zoomed you in guys so that I can show you properly the brushes and the makeup. So first we are using a flat top brush for our foundation. Now this is very dense and this is made up of natural hair so that it can give you the most coverage. This is basically used for only foundations. So today I am going to use the L'Oreal Infallible 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation. After the foundation, we are going to set our base makeup with this fluffy brush. This has a round top and it is less dense and it is very fluffy, and you can see it is made up of natural bristles also, which will give you again full coverage. I am using this to apply my translucent powder, which is from Colorbar. So the next step is concealing. For concealing, I am using this small tapered brush from Real Techniques, and this brush reaches all the smallest point of your face and gives you the maximum coverage, as this is again made up of natural hair. So the concealer I am recommending you is Elegant Pro Conceal, and I have not concealed today because I really don't need it. So we'll go to the next step. The next one is the contour brush. This contour brush is slightly tapered towards one end. This is made up of again natural fibers come artificial fibers also. This is of mixed fibers. Now what it does, when this angle is so tapered, it goes into the hollows of your cheeks very properly, giving you a precision contour while blending, so that your contour doesn't move more than what the area that is needed. And this brush is from Miniso. So finally we have only 2 brushes left. So now we are going to our next step, that is using a blusher. For blusher I am using again a fluffy brush with a tapered end. Now this will give you the maximum coverage of your cheeks while applying the blusher in one stroke. The blusher I am using here is an Essence blusher. Finally we come to the best part of this video, and that is using a highlighter. Now this is a fan brush which is mostly used to apply highlighters. This is made up of artificial bristles and this is very scarcely done because your highlighter should evenly spread out and not look blotchy at one part of your face. So today I'm using a Makeup Revolution highlighter to highlight. Highlighters are mostly used to highlight the topmost areas of your face. Hence, we have come to the end of this video today. I hope this was very informative for you to how to use 6 makeup brushes for doing full face makeup. You can do any kind of style in this. It may be light makeup or a party wear look. You can achieve both. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe with your friends. And do hit the bell button to get the notification every time I upload a new video. Thanks a lot and have a good day.